AI apps are reshaping marketing strategies through personalized customer experiences, predictive analytics, and automated campaign optimization. Marketers can now reach their target audience with tailored content, utilize data-driven insights for decision-making, and streamline campaign management processes efficiently. AI technology is transforming sales performance by optimizing lead scoring, enhancing customer segmentation, enabling accurate sales forecasting, and providing chatbot support to boost conversion rates. Sales teams can now leverage AI apps to identify high-potential leads, tailor their sales approach, and deliver personalized customer interactions for improved sales efficiency. The future of marketing and sales lies in AI innovation, introducing virtual assistants for customer support, dynamic pricing strategies for competitive pricing, and real-time data analysis for data-driven decision-making. Businesses can harness these AI advancements to drive engagement, optimize pricing strategies, and stay ahead of the competition in the dynamic marketplace. Visit re-appreview.com and find the best tools for your specific needs. Check out the description for more information. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.